The header float feature allows the header to closely follow ground contours and respond quickly to elevation changes or obstacles. The float setting is ideal when the cutter bar is on the ground with minimal bouncing, scooping, or pushing soil. To set the header float, use the header tilt switches on the ground speed lever to set the center link to the mid position 5.0 on the monitor. Using the header down switch, lower the header fully and ensure the header lift cylinders are fully retracted. Grasp one end of the header and lift. As a starting point, it should feel like lifting 45 to 50 kilograms. The force required to lift the header should be equal on both sides. If adjustments to the float are required, press the rotary scroll knob on the HPT to display the quick menu system, or press F1. Use the knob to select the header float icon. Then select left or right float. Use the scroll knob to adjust the float setting and press the knob when finished. The float is now set. Use soft key 3 to remove or resume the float to the previous setting when attaching or detaching the header. Increments of 1 change the header weight at the cutter bar by approximately 91 kilograms. Adjust the float in increments of 0.05 to optimize field performance. If the float is too heavy, it causes skid shoe wear. Too light, it causes excessive header bounce over uneven terrain. Adjust your float as required by your conditions. When using a rotary header, the deck shift buttons can be used to store 3 different float settings. This is useful when cutting in varying ground conditions or when having one side lighter is desirable, such as cutting along wheel tracks or irrigation borders. Start the engine and use the header tilt switches on the ground speed lever to set the header tilt to mid position. Engage the header and select one of 3 deck positions on the console. Adjust the float setting for that deck position. Repeat for the other 2 deck positions if desired.